guys, what's up? Today I have another haul for you guys. I know I've been bombarding you guys with hauls, but this is my life right now. I'm trying new products. So this is a Lady Moss haul. Don't let this little box deceive you. I bought a bunch of stuff. So I particularly went on the website to buy some Coco Lashes because I've never tried their lashes. You guys know I've been needing to try new lashes because I've been wearing the same pure bombshell lashes forever. And so I really wanted to try particularly the Risqués lashes from Coco. And so I actually popped those on right now. I like broke open the box and I popped them on for you guys. You can see I'm wearing the Risqué. So they looked really beautiful on other people and I really wanted to try some new lashes. So that's mainly what I went on there for. But I'm one of those people that if you have to spend $50 to get free shipping, I will spend $50 to get free shipping because I don't want to have to pay for shipping, even though it could be possibly $5. I'm one of those people. I know that you guys can relate. Somebody out there can relate with me that I'll die before I pay for shipping. So anyway, so let's just get on into the Lady Moss haul. So first off, they did have different brands like Jordana, LA Colors. So I saw this is the Fabu Brow Shape and Set Gel from Jordana. It's in clear. I wanted to try this because I haven't really tried a lot of Jordana stuff and I've honestly been needing a brow gel. And so this one's in clear. So it's super tiny and I'm dying to try it and it looks like there's a big fat bubble in there. But the brush is super tiny as well. So we'll see how this sets my brows. I already put in a brow gel, so I'm not gonna do that right this second. So this is one of the LA Colors that I have bought before that I really loved. These are the Illuminating Skin Enhancers. I've been wearing them like nobody's business. If you guys follow my Instagram, you've seen I've been using these like nobody's business. But I got 3 of them and I liked them so much that I went on there and wanted to buy another one that's kind of more like a blush shade. So this one is the shade Aura. So I have the Sun Goddess one, I have another one that's kind of a bronzy color, and then I have the gold one. I don't remember what it's called, but I actually use that underneath this highlight, and I use the bronzy one as the bronzers. But this one looked like it could be like a more like something I can put underneath a blush. Let me just tell, oh, it is gorgeous. And this one is a perfect blush color. It's not like shimmery or sparkly or anything like that. It's just glowy, but it's a beautiful peachy like pink. I don't know if you can tell in the camera that well, but it literally looks like this, like the bottle does. Maybe a little bit pinkier, but oh my gosh, this is a beautiful blush color. Let me just tell you guys really quickly. You need to try these. You need to try these. You need these in your life. They're so affordable, and the formula is amazing. Forget about your cream bronzer, blushes, cream products, your liquid products. You need to try this one. It's so easy, so beautiful, so pigmented, and it doesn't blend away. I think I'm gonna buy the rest of them because I'm getting so crazy about these. These are so good. I'm not even kidding, and they're a drugstore. They're so good. All right, so I've been hearing so many good things about the Milani Prep and Set and Go translucent face powder that I wanted to try it myself. Hopefully I got the right one. The one that I've been hearing the most about. I'm not sure, but I've been liking translucent pressed powders, and I'm hoping that this one isn't super mattifying, that it's more like beautiful glowy. So I don't know. I'm hoping that this looks nice on my dry skin because I have hecka dry skin. But we'll see. I've been diving into face products. I went a little crazy, guys. I went a little crazy on the LA Girl eyeliners. I went a little crazy. I probably could have used one of these today, and I didn't even get like a peachy cute pink one. So first off, I got another one of the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencils. Every time if I buy anything that has LA Girl, I will pick another one up because this is my favorite eyebrow pencil of the moment. This is the shade Medium Brown, and it's my favorite. It's just so good and so affordable. So I picked another one of those up. And then I picked up 6 eyeliners. Okay, 6 of them. So I think that they're different. Oh, hold on a minute. I picked up another LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and this one is in the shade Taupe. for when I go blonde, because I'm gonna go all blonde again pretty soon. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these eyeliners. So I picked up a green one. This one, these are called the LA Girl Endless Semi-Permanent Auto Eyeliner. This one is electric green. So why am I having trouble talking right now? Wow, this one's really, really pretty. Try to do a big enough swatch for you guys to see. Can you see that? Really, really, really pretty. It's like it looks like gold when you turn it to the side, but then it looks like green when you look at it straight on. Really pretty color. Then I got, this one is called Copper. A pretty copper color. These are really soft and really smooth. It's the first time that I tried these, but I've been needing some. So this one's Aqua. Ooh, 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 ooh. That Aqua is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that one's beautiful. Super, super creamy. Dark gray I also got. Ooh, yeah. This one's beautiful. It's like a matte dark gray color. Ooh, I really like that one. And then this one is the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. Oh, I hate the packaging on this one just because has that plastic around it. Which I think is necessary whenever you're selling something in stores, because then people will rip it open and swatch it, but not necessary when it's online, because no one's gonna be ripping anything open and swatching it. It's just like a hassle. And it's one of those ones that you need to sharpen. So this one is in the shade Gold Mine. Ooh, totally worth it. This is a beautiful gold color. Absolutely stunning, super, super creamy. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. So I got that. I did also grab a duo brush on adhesive. This one is the one in black, but the dark tone one, but it's a brush one. So I didn't like their other one, so I wanted to try this one. I thought maybe this one would be a little bit better. I don't know. I got a bunch of Coco Lashes, guys. Like a ton, a butt ton. And I'm wearing one of them right now, the risky, whatever. But yeah, let's just look. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. So these ones right here. Okay, so I brought you guys in super close so you could see the lashes a lot better. So these ones here are called Aria. So you can see they're super long. I'm gonna have to trim them, but they're super voluminous. I mean, they're gorgeous. 3 of Allure, which is kind of more my style, like where they're short and they get really, really long. I love these ones, and every time I wear these ones, they just look good on my eye. You guys always ask me, what kind of eyelashes are you wearing? Well, it's always the ones that are short to long, but they look more natural on an everyday basis. And then I got 2 of the risque ones. I wish I would have gotten more now that I'm looking at them, but this is what they look like on their own in the packaging. Can you see that? And then this is how they look on my eyes. I really like them. I think they're really gorgeous. Then I got 1 Madame Wispy, which again, these are just like the longer versions of the other ones. It's where they get short and get really, really long, as well as they go at the outer corner. I got a Carrie, which look really, really beautiful and stunning. Again, they get short and go long, but these ones are more voluminous and they're more like a 3D looking one. And then the last one I got was 9 to 5, which just looked fun. This one actually looks like it'll be really fun. Can you kind of see that? I'm trying to get, there we go. Okay, now that I'm looking at my receipt, I'm pretty sure that this is the wrong powder. I got the Milani Prep Set and Glow Illuminating Translucent Powder. This one just says the Milani Prep Set and Glow, and then when I swatched it, it was pretty matte. So I'm like, I'm pretty sure I got the glow one, but I don't think this one's it. So I'm gonna have to go on there and have them send me the right one, because they sent me the wrong one. So I have to check on the website and see. I'm pretty sure there's a matte version and a glowy version, right? Because this looks kind of strange to me, this packaging looks strange. Okay, anyway, so the last thing I got is, I just heard these were so good. These are the LA Girl Pro Sponge Blending Sponge. They come in a pack of 2, and I heard that they're really good, and I've seen so many people use it that I thought, hey, I might as well try it. So the packaging itself is super cute. Packaging. But let's open this up and just feel one of the sponges. Now I'm stressed out. I hate when they send me the wrong product. It like stresses me out because, you know, it's good. They'll probably correct it. They'll probably say, yeah, we'll send you the right one. So sorry. But I now have to wait. I have to wait to try the new product. It's like an inconvenience. Anyways, ooh, this feels really, really nice already. It doesn't feel like, it feels like it's gonna be a really, really nice, super nice sponge. And I love the flat end because then you can really bake and do whatever you need to with it. And it says LA Girl, it's like imprinted on there. Super cute. All right, I'm really excited. I'm excited to try these. We're gonna be trying a bunch of new products coming soon. So that's it for my Lady Moss haul. I have a couple more hauls coming your way. I hope you guys don't get annoyed. I could not show you what I got, but I think you guys like it when I show you guys the things that I get before I start to use them, because regardless, I'm gonna be trying a bunch of stuff because I need to. I just realized I just want to do a variety of looks, and I can't do that when I have nothing here. I need my makeup from home. I keep saying that. By the time you see this video, I probably would have my makeup from home. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed checking out this Lady Moss haul. I'm super excited about those Coco Lashes. You guys are gonna be seeing new lashes on my face. But anyways, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell before you leave so that you're notified of all my future videos. And hit the like button while you're at it because it's just super nice when you guys do that. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.